Okay, I did the previous one wrong, so I'm gonna do it all over again. Okay, we're gonna go a little quicker this time. A physics book weighing 20 newtons is dropped from position 2 meters from the floor. Meters, you know, is X. 20 newtons is the normal force. What is the potential energy of the book before it is dropped? If you look at your one-stop shop, potential energy, the formula is mgh. Mass times gravity times height. Okay. You know that your weight, when you look at a free body diagram, the downward force is weight, which is mass times gravity. And oh my gosh, how crazy. We already have mass times gravity here, so we don't even have to find anything crazy. So 20 newtons times our height, which was 2 meters. 40 joules, potential energy. Okay? Kinetic energy. Our formula is 1/2 mv squared equals ke. We don't have our mass. Okay, let me do this with you. So as we talked about, weight equals mass times gravity, right? So in order to find our mass, we need to plug the numbers in. Our weight is 20. Our mass is x times 9.8. Our friend is all the way over there, so we need to take a plane. 9.8 divide. Our answer is 2.04. We don't have our velocity, so we need to use a formula. These formulas, these two, have time in it, and we don't have time in our given thing. So we're going to use this formula. V squared equals initial velocity squared plus 2ax. Final velocity squared equals, or velocity, whatever. Initial velocity. If I'm a person and I have a book and I drop it, it started at 0 meters per second because I'm holding it, look. So 0 squared plus 2. The acceleration on a free fall is 9.8 with gravity. Our distance was 1 meter, which I messed up last time, which is why I'm refilming this. So then 1 times 9.8 times 2 is 19.6. Are we done here? No, you need to square root it, technically. You're going to be mad, but whatever. So then 19.6 V equals 4.4. Just do it just so you get in the groove of things. Okay? So now we have all the things that we need to do this formula. Kinetic energy equals 1/2 mass 2.04 times 4.4 squared. So 4.4 times 4.4 times 2.04 divided by 2, because that's how you do this. When you times by 1/2, you just divide it by 2. So I got kinetic energy equals 19.74. Horrible penmanship. 19.74, long day, joules. Okay? For the speed of the book, the instant before it reaches the floor, let's say it reaches the floor 0.1 meters from the floor. We're going to do the same formula over here that we did. V squared equals initial velocity, which was 0, plus 2. If this is too fast, put the speed lower. 9.8 times our distance, which is 0.1 meters. So then 0.1 times 0.1, or no, 0.1 times 9.8 times 2 equals 1.96 v squared, and we're going to square root that. 1.96 square rooted is 1.4 meters per second. Does that make sense?